In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick your Google My Business category. Getting your category right is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to help customers find you on Google. Your category tells Google what your business actually is, so it can show you to the right people at the right time. Let's walk through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open Google in your browser and type in your business name exactly as it appears on your profile. Make sure you're logged into the same Google account that has access to your business profile, otherwise you won't see the editing options. When your business appears on the search results page, you should see a panel with your business information and above it, a set of management options. Look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. This will open a pop-up window where you can adjust different parts of your listing. By default, you should land on the About section. If you're not there, just click About at the top of the pop-up. In this section, find the area labeled Business Category. Click on it, and it will expand to show your primary category field. This is where you'll tell Google what your business mainly does. Click into the primary category box and start typing a word that describes your business. For example, if you type food, Google will suggest related categories such as food bank, food court, food broker, food producer, and many more. Take your time here. Your primary category should be the single most accurate and specific description of your main service. Ask yourself, if a customer could only know one thing about what I do, what would that be? That answer is usually your primary category. Avoid choosing something too broad if a more precise option exists. Once you've selected your primary category, you can add secondary categories if they genuinely apply to your business. To do this, click on Add Another Category. A new field will appear. Type in another relevant service you offer and choose the most accurate option from the drop-down. These secondary categories should only reflect real, substantial services, not things you might occasionally do. When you're happy with your primary and any secondary categories, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Google may take a short time to review and update your listing, but you're essentially done. And that's it. You've successfully chosen your Google My Business category and made it easier for the right customers to discover your business.